Welcome to this new episode of Login or Sign In, especially if you're the Google CMO.
We need sponsors, you know.
Today, we're talking about Google Flow, now available as an Android app. We'll test the app creating a stunning promotional video for our brand in less than 60 seconds.
Let's take a look.
What if you could turn a random idea in your head into a high-quality video clip in less than 60 seconds? Just you, your Android phone, and the brand new Google Flow app.
Today, I'm going to show you how to master this creative superpower. Let's get started.
When you open Flow, it's completely minimalist. Clean canvas. Right at the top, you get your daily free AI credits just for using your Google account. To start, we just hit this big plus button for a new project. Here, we select the portrait format and click on the video option, as Flow also allows you to generate images, but we want a video this time. Next, we choose the video's duration. I'm going to set it to 8 seconds. And we also have the option to choose the model for generating the video. I'm going to select VO 3.1 Lite, but you can try other options and compare the results. Flow allows you to generate up to 4 different versions from the same prompt, although I only need one here. To create the video, we can use an existing image as a reference, or write instructions to achieve the video we have in mind. Here's where it gets empowering. You don't need a camera crew, just tell the app exactly what you want. I'm typing out a quick promo clip for a coffee concept. We choose the VO model for lightning-fast rendering, hit generate, and look at that. In literally seconds, we have a gorgeous, custom cinematic asset.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I hope you fancy a coffee right now as much as I do. You can watch the video in full screen here. Remember that, in the top right-hand corner, you'll find this menu with options to download and share the video, or even upload it to your YouTube channel. But what if your video isn't quite perfect yet, or you want to change something? Don't worry, you don't have to start from scratch. The built-in Flow agent lets you edit on the fly. You can access agent mode by clicking on this icon below. I'm telling it to add a stylish overlay just on top of the video. I want the text Fresh Brew to appear in a clean font. Look how perfectly it follows the movement. It's like having a professional editor in your pocket. Here you can see the details more clearly by using the full screen option.
Google Flow is a fantastic app for digital creators. Download it to your mobile from Google Play. You can try it out for free with your daily credits and make something cool today.
If you found all this useful, please give me a like and click the subscribe button. This is the best way to help me create new content. See you in the next video, and thanks for your time.